It's shuffle tutorial day. Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It is Wednesday, which means it's shuffle tutorial day, and today I'm coming at you with an updated Polly Pocket Running Man tutorial.
The Polly Pocket is just a variation of the Running Man, so make sure you have your regular Running Man down. If you don't, make sure you check out my other tutorials before doing this one. It basically is just a staircase to triangle movement. Now let's work on our Polly Pocket. The only difference in the regular Running Man and the Polly Pocket is the leg that is coming up into the staircase and is going to be shooting downwards. Instead of going straight down in a line, you're going to twist your hip and bring it across your body, shooting out your leg, landing on your heel. So my right leg is driving down right now, so I'm twisting my right hips towards the front of my body. I'm shooting my right leg downwards and across, and I'm landing on my heel. So to do the other leg, you have to bring your body back up into center, just like the regular Running Man. You're going to have your base leg, which jumps up and lands straight down, and then you're going to have your leg that you create the staircase with, which is the opposite leg. But the only difference is that you're coming from a diagonal rather than straight forward. So you want to come back up and forward facing the front of the room. Now to do the opposite leg again, it's the exact same thing. Instead of driving the staircase foot forward, you're twisting your left hip, bringing it across, and then shooting it out downwards, landing on your heel. So if you can follow along, this is what it looks like from behind. I just did the regular Running Man. Now instead of shooting my leg straight down, I'm going to shoot it across. So that means I'm going to drive my heel down, toe up. Notice how I twisted my hips so that I am now sort of leaning towards the left. Then I come back up into center, facing forward. My hips are squared off, facing the front. And then to go to the other side, twisting my left hip toward the front. And that's it. It is that easy. Just focus on bringing up your speed and pivoting those hips.
That's it for today's tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you can't wait till the next tutorial and you absolutely need to learn more moves, check out my Shuffle Tutorials playlist. It will be linked down in the description below. You can also check me out on Instagram at Remy Madison. I post a lot of shuffle content on there. Comment down below what move you want to learn next, what move you are absolutely dying to learn, and I will do it. Talk to you guys in my next video. Love you so much.